caller, and we're starting to get a little chill in the air. And for us Southern New Englanders, that means moving the living indoors. So today we're getting some tips on how to make our homes more safe as well as stylish from lifestyle expert Catherine Emery.
I always look for natural cleaners because we're spending more time inside, but I actually want something that's going to get the job done. So Rejuvenate has a line out for your floors because that's what needs the most help in my house. So it will do stone, tile, wood, laminate. It's effective enough to get rid of that dirt, but it's gentle enough to use when my cat's walking around, when my son's on the ground playing Legos. So they use this green hybrid technology. So it's a plant-based technology, which means most natural cleaners use soap, which leaves streaks. So with this plant-based, you're cleaning less because the streaks are going to attract dirt. So check it out, the Rejuvenate Naturals line, that's available at Lowe's.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.